Today we're going to talk about typing in a word processor. And the first thing I need to do in order to type in a word processor is to open a word processing document. So I go down to the Start button in the bottom left corner, click it, and then typically I will have the Microsoft Word program in this list here. So I'm just going to click on it. I always remember to click on the W. That reminds me that I don't click on the other end. So click on the W. Now when I'm typing in a word processor, I want to make sure that I'm taking my time but also using proper keyboarding posture and form. Make sure your hands are in the home row of keys with your pointer fingers on the F and J buttons. If I want to get rid of some letters, all I have to do is press backspace. So let's type in a sentence. The cat is nimble and quick. If I wanted to get rid of the words and quick, I would just press the backspace button to get rid of one letter at a time. Then I would press my period at the end. Don't forget that we always press space after any punctuation. That way, when we type another sentence, there's a space between the punctuation and the next word of the next sentence. You always press the space bar after any punctuation, period, exclamation point, or question mark. Another way that you can get rid of letters is by clicking in front of a word that you want to get rid of and pressing the delete key. Just like the backspace, press the delete key one letter at a time to get rid of that letter. Or punctuation. The delete key will also get rid of spaces. Now, the final thing we're going to talk about is selecting text. There are many reasons why you might want to select text. You could be wanting to bold, italicize, underline. Any change you make to how the text looks, like the size or font, you have to select the text first. So, to select the text, we're going to click in front of the word or sentence and drag our mouse to the end. If you want to just click in front of a word, click, drag, and let go. Notice when I go to select something and I click and drag, notice when I go to select a word and I go to click and drag, my cursor goes from a blinking cursor, here I'll let go of the mouse, to a solid cursor because I've clicked the mouse, and then I can drag it over. Now be careful. If you accidentally click the wrong thing and then try and drag it somewhere else, you'll get this box right here. Now this box means that you're taking a word, the word the, and moving it somewhere else. If you see this box, it's best just to go back to where you selected, let go of the mouse, and restart. Let's say I wanted to select the word the, but I accidentally selected the word cat. But then I decided, oh, I'm going to go back to the word the. What happens is that word cat moves over because of that little box. So make sure that you select the correct word, and if you don't, just click at the beginning and start over. Let's click undo to fix our mistake. The undo button is one of the best tools you can use when you make a mistake while typing. Good luck using Microsoft Word. I hope your project turns out awesome.